This is Cian's reading time. He likes to read. Let me see your book. Minokawa, The Origin of the Eclipse. You like that book, huh? Where's the eye? Oh. Where's the eye of the Minokawa? Do you know? Reading time. Baby, where's the eye of the Minokawa? Where's the eye of the Minokawa? Do you know? Where's the eye? Where's the eye of the Minokawa? Let's see. Let's turn to that page, no? Oh, here. Oh, here. Where's the eye? Do you know where the eye of... Eye? Touch mo yung eye. Touch mo yung eye. Where's the eye? Eye of the Minokawa. You touch. There. Very good. Galing. That's the eye of the Minokawa. That's the Bagobo. Can you say something? Something. He's too busy reading, so bye-bye.